Hey, what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Match in the Rain on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll have your capo on 1 and you'll be in standard tuning. The chords you'll need are A minor, G, and D minor. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, which you mute the top string. G is 3, 2, open, 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 3. And D minor is open, 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 2, 3, 1. Strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Strumming pattern slower is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.